So what do you know about material management with inbound delivery? You can just tell that procure to pay cycle with inbound delivery.
Okay. So procure to pay cycle is the like any department can raise a purchase requisition for their requirement of material, and then it's go to purchasing. It's verifying by purchasing team, and if it is confirmed, then we send the purchase order to the vendor. If already material is present in the premises, then normal standard procurement is going on, PR, PO, GR, IR. And if it is not material is not present in the premises, then contract come in picture. Then we send the few vendor for the RFQ, request for quotation, to send the few vendor, and then on basis of time, quality, and variety, we compare the vendor, and out of that we finalize one vendor and reject the other vendor. Then if the material is required for periodically, then the contract comes in the picture. Contract is a legal agreement between the vendor and customer. Then contract done, and after that purchase order sent to the vendor. On basis of purchase order, vendor send the goods to vendor send the material as a good received, and that is the inbound delivery. And then after good received, invoice received done, IR, and payments done by the finance team.
Okay, I asked about the inbound delivery. Normal within MM only. If you have inbound delivery, you need to mention that after PO, inbound delivery will be created based on the vendor information. Okay, so when you have inbound delivery, based on that inbound delivery, you have to do the goods receipt and then invoice receipt. So if you have inbound delivery, in between PO and goods receipt process, you will have inbound delivery creation. That is called the confirmation quantity. Okay.
Okay.
That's what is going to happen. Okay. So have you ever worked on any